Alrighty, so here we are with another 302 update. Surprisingly, the airbag stayed up. It's been like week 1, I believe. Or no. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. And making progress, slowly but surely. We found solid metal here. And we're going to tap into this. If we have to, we'll make a bend. Cut out a piece of this wood here and make a bend. Weld it up on top of the floor. But cut out that bit over there. And yeah, everything's solid. So as of right now, probably, it'll probably be done probably within the next week or so. Yes, I got a camera. Whatever. Yep. Whatever. I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it for 302 update. Yikes. Yeah, if we have to rip up a piece of this plywood here, we're going to take this trim piece out. And let's see here. But yeah, we're going to make a whole new bottom step going on the welding to the lip of this right there. And then there. And then we're going to drop down to here. We're going to make a new cross member that goes across. We're going to cut that and weld the bit on there. And I had another piece. Oh yeah, it's still on the bus. But we're going to add to that. We may keep this little... There's a little piece of... It's just like a triangle piece. I don't know if I'm going to put that back on. But if I have to, I'll make a little piece out of sheet metal. But I only went through one saw blade. And the batteries are probably dead, like usual. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. This mud flap here disconnects from the top. So it's just being held up by one little piece of metal. We'll see how long that lasts. And then, this side's still sturdy. So I have to somehow put or screw in the whatever. You can see it's just being held up by that little piece right there. But yeah, that's after the fact. The heck? Marker light. Anyway. There's a bag. Whatever that is, all the seatbelts are messed up. Yeah, whatever. As of all the trucks and 159, all those are ready on a nice line for the winter. And more trucks over there. But, yeah. Getting ready for snow, even though it's a week in December and it's already not snowing. But I'll take it. We shall do a cold start on 159. Because it hasn't been started in a while. And take heater. Right up like usual, which is good. Kicker into high idle. Yeah, it's basically all. know this bus has, if you click it down, it'll kick it into higher idle. If you click it up, it'll go down. And if you hold it up, it's an ultra high idle. And you hold it down, it'll go back down. There we go. Yeah, and that's basically all for now. Till more updates show up. And there will be a 5,000 subscriber special. Totally forgot about that. Alright, almost did. There'll be a 5,000 subscriber special. I cannot say what it is or anything. So, therefore, yeah, that's basically it. That's the new news. The old news, you know, that's still here. But, whatever. So I'd point that out. Yeah, again, the parking brake don't pop. It just because the interlock. So, you know, it just does what it wants to do. You know what the weirdest thing about Thomas is? Key's off. Actually, not here. No key. Bizarre, isn't it? And then, while your foot's on the brake, if you do this, with your foot still on the brake, see? Odd, isn't it? Anyway. Intake heater's still cycling, so I'll wait for that to stop, and then that's basically all. Unavailable, and I don't like to use a ratchet. I mean, a power gun. Oh, I see what it's doing. Oh, the radio.